Hi everyone, it's April with Main Street to the World, and we're at the recently reopened Blizzard Beach. It's only been open for about a week now since it closed due to COVID, and we're so excited to ride the lazy river and get on the slides and just have a fun afternoon. So let's see what there is to do here. And we're walking around. Let me show you the map of Blizzard Beach so you can see all of what there is. You have the lazy river that goes around the park, tons of slides, family slides, and Summit Plummet is the huge drop slide. While you are going on the water attractions, you don't have to wear your mask, but if you're going to the restaurants or to the gift shops, you do have to put your mask on. Also the restrooms, you need to put your mask on. Here's the chairlift to Summit Plummet on Mount Gushmore. Have a lunch, that's cute. And you can get a refillable mug to use here in the park. The ski patrol training camp is for the little kids. Alright, so we're riding the ski lift. Ooh, that's not comfortable. My leg. So we're going up to the top of Mount Gushmore. This is a great perspective of the park.
Oh, yeah. From the top of Summit Plummet, you can see outside of Disney.
Wow.
I think they'll have to do Slush and Gusher afterwards, because I haven't done that yet.
So it's nice that they...
But you could do Slush and Gusher, if you obviously you don't want to, but I could. It wouldn't be terrible.
And you can take the stairs or ride the ski lift up to the top of the mountain. And they do have an accessible car that looks like a Skyliner gondola. It's somewhere ahead of us because it wasn't too far ahead of from where we got on.
So again, I don't know what the purpose of it is.
I assume it's accessibility.
Well, yeah, but like if you're somebody who needs that.
Mom, it's up there.
Yeah. You can.
Oh yeah, good. So we'll see it.
If you're somebody who needs that, you're not going to be doing a whole lot of slides.
Maybe. I don't know. It depends on what your needs are.
That hurt my butt.
So
on the bottom.
Yeah, that looks like no way is that happening. And that's what, Pikes Peak?
All those sprayers, you're just like skimming on the water and it hurts. It's fun, but it hurts.
The kid area, so that was fun. The little tubes are fun. Like I can ride on those tubes. That's something I can do. I think I have.
I think you can if you want.
I'm pretty sure I have ridden those before.
I like the zip line thing over there.
That's fun. And they got like the balancing that climb across the net.
And then there's a drop slide over there too, where the end of the slide is above the water, so you fall a little bit.
Yeah. Oh, there they go.
I do like Koakiri better than this. For a couple of reasons. One, Koakiri is a bit bigger.
Yeah.
And it doesn't hurt as much. And two, I like how in Koakiri it's one of the ones where the floor drops from underneath you. Because I just have a weird thing with the ones that you go over the edge. It feels like I'm going to fall over.
Yeah. So, I can see that. Yeah. I wouldn't like that either.
I think Koakiri is a bit steeper than this too.
Yeah. And here comes that, what we're assuming is an accessible gondola. I mean, I can't imagine what else it would be for except for accessibility.
Yeah. Especially since they aren't putting anything in it.
Right. And there you can see a great overview of Pikes Peak.
I like the iceberg.
Yeah, there's one bench in there, so you could put someone in. Do not swing or bounce chair. I have no urge to.
I like the iceberg.
I know, it's nice. All the little icicles around. This is my type of snow. I don't want the real stuff. I can look at the fake stuff all day in the 80-degree heat, and look at it is almost 85 degrees. That is very, very nice.
Oh, we're 115 feet up.
Wow. 115 feet.
100 feet up. Too bad.
Ooh.
It's actually probably taller than Koakiri.
There's Summit Plummet, Slush Gusher. Summit plummet, so you can see the description on that. Take a high-speed white knuckle plunge down the world's tallest and fastest free fall body slide, which drops you 120 feet. No, thank you. And here you can see Slush Gusher, careen down a slush-banked mountain gully through valleys and over mountain peaks on a thrilling body slide. Yeah, I think I'm good for that. Now Gushmore. I don't know where my kids went. Did I lose them? Oh, they're there. Observation deck. I just want to go on the observation deck for a minute. Wow, this is really cool up here. What an amazing view. Look at, you can see all of Blizzard Beach. Oh, look at down there. Oh, I was thinking, oh, there's, okay, so there's Tower of Terror, you can see, and it looks like probably the Guardians of the Galaxy building just to the left of Tower of Terror. No, because there's the Swan. I don't know. I don't know what else that would be besides.
Look at Tower.
I know, but what's to the left? Is that Guardians, do you think?
That's Rock and Roller Coaster.
Oh, that's Rock and Roller Coaster. Wow, I've never noticed it.
That's either Rock and Roller Coaster or the Cars thing.
Oh, Lightning McQueen?
Yeah. See, that's right across.
Yeah, all right. And then you can see the balloon for Disney Springs, way down straight ahead.
The swing at Fun Spot.
Yeah, there's iDrive.
The thing about, I don't know if you can do Steamboat Springs, it's described as a twisting, turning camera ride, and it's really long.
I don't want twisting and turning.
Right.
So
there should be stairs down.
I can walk stairs. Yeah. I'm fine with, I could use the exercise after this week. Oh, you can see Black Spire. You can see them just sticking up in front of the hotels. Just those columns sticking up like kind of straight from me, 12 o'clock.
All right, I'm gonna go get in line.
All right, go get in line. Love you. All right, yeah, I can't do any twists and turns, and I did not take any Dramamine, so look at this bee. He's just like hanging in midair. We're not gonna bother him, but I do want to get by him. And he's not social distancing very well. No, sorry, I felt a little chased there, I have to say. I was doing my best to try to avoid him. I'm glad I come up here though. Like, you can't even beat this. Wow. All right, there is Blizzard Beach. You can see the extent of the park. There's the wave pool to our right. And the racing slides. Slush and Gusher, I think, is this one here, immediately to our right. And Summit Plummet is underneath us. You've got the ski lifts, Pikes Peak, the kid area. And then I think the wood fencing that we see beyond us is the Steamboat Springs. So, and again, on the horizon, we can see the Swan and Dolphin. I'm surprised I don't see Spaceship Earth though. There is Tower of Terror, maybe Rock and Roller Coaster, not really sure. Way in the distance, you can see the hot air balloon at Disney Springs. And then you see the spires for Black Spire Outpost in Galaxy's Edge. This is amazing. Typhoon Lagoon is still not open at this time, but this is still a step in the right direction. So exciting. There's the lazy river. We can go on the lazy river. Have we reached the end?
I guess.
I know, we don't know our way. We haven't been here nearly enough.
There's Steamboat Springs up there. There you go.
We can.
I was waiting for it.
Oh, there's a Mickey.
Yeah.
There's a Mickey.
It does count as a hidden Mickey. All the stuff that I've seen about that is it is.
Red slope, green slope, runoff rapids. There's a lazy river. And there's several entrances along the way, which is nice. And it goes all the way around the park.
Are you kidding? Stop kicking!
you want to take the lazy river and see where to go?
There's a card.
The theming is really cute. Uh-oh, are we gonna get squirted? Oh no. We did not get squirted with his sneeze. He keeps sneezing and it's spraying water.
Oh, look at all them tubies.
I see chair tubes ahead. I want to change to a chair tube. I think I'm aiming for the middle. Either middle or... And Tykes Peak, here's a play area for the little ones. There again, the lazy river, and that goes around the entire property. And it is a very lazy river. It is a slow moving river, and it's only about 2 feet 9 inches deep we've seen at the deepest. So perfect for little ones. It has floats for smaller kids and bigger kids and adults. I don't want to go too far in because I don't want to film little kids without masks on, because when you are in the swim areas you can take your mask off, which is a really great thing. And you can see there's some double floats as well, and they recommend when you get off the float, turn it upside down so the handles are in, and when you're taking a float, only take the floats that are upside down. I'm assuming because the chlorine will help to protect you and keep down the spread of germs. And there's plenty to snack and drink on. Here's funnel cakes and cotton candy, Joffrey's coffee and donuts, of course, and pastries. You can see the wave pool off to our right, and the racing slides. Oh, those aren't the racing slides. That's Slush and Gusher. And then, of course, you can get your share of adult beverages. Polar Pub. So here's the wave pool at Blizzard Beach.
Last water park day for Typhoon Lagoon.
Yeah.
Well, whenever it opens, I don't care.
I want to go on the water.
Yeah, and I want to go on Miss Adventure Falls.
Remember, when we were gonna go back, and we were gonna swim with the sharks, and then I got scared.
Yeah, now you can't anymore, so.
I like this in the pool. water's like, then I'm okay with it.
You going in the wave pool? I'm going to show you the other side of Blizzard Beach. We haven't walked over here yet. There is another food station, but this one is not open right now, so really lunch is at the Lotta Wada Lounge. And up here are the racing slides, so that's fun. Drew and I have done that before. So this is park-wide menus, so you can see Lotta Wada Lodge, the cooling hut we saw at the front. Avalanche is heading towards Pikes Peak, and then the warming hut is here. So I'm sure as things pick up and capacity picks up, you could see the other locations opening. And here are the racing slides, so that's fun. It actually times you as you come down. Oh, and the left side one. You can rent patios here, and this one has been well used, but it's certainly an example. You can see that it comes with an umbrella. You have a dual sunbed, chairs to sit on. Each one I've seen does have a container of ice water, so that's a nice thing for your family. And then it also looks like it's got a little locking cabinet, so I'm sure to keep your valuables in. And then there is a menu list, so it looks like you can scan it with a QR code and an attendant will come and be able to assist you with that. So what a nice little area that you can reserve. I don't know the price on them. I'll have to look that up for you. But they are all over, so depending on your location, you can probably, if you do it early enough, you could probably choose your location if you have a preference of what you'd like to be near, but they are scattered around the park. Here's another view of the lazy river as we're coming up on Lotta Wada Lodge, and so that's a place to eat. I'll show you the menu over here. So here's the menu at Lotta Wada Lodge. I don't know why that seems difficult to say Lotta Wada. I'm from south of Boston. We say Wada normally. There's no R's, but popcorn, pretzels, frozen treats, fountain beverages, ice cream, root beer floats, burgers, chicken strips. It's really kind of a little something of everything. I want to show you the front area. There's more Joffrey's with mini donuts and donut dipping sauces. That doesn't sound like a bad idea. And you can mobile order at Lotta Wada Lodge too. So that's a nice thing. Again, they're still trying to keep you feeling safe as best they can. And here's the beach house, gift shop. First aid should you need it. Hopefully you won't, but it's there if you do. Speaking of which, I probably should have put more sunscreen on when I was just by my chair. Next pass. And over here you can see the lockers that are available for rent. It's nearing the end of the day, so they're no longer distributing them, but they're here. Frostbite Freddy's, You can get ices and, of course, alcohol. So that's our afternoon in Blizzard Beach. Looks like a lot of fun. I hope you get to visit soon. If you have any questions, please reach out and ask. Be sure to check out mainstreettotheworld.com for more information, and special thank you to our sponsor, Coasters and Castles Travel. As you're planning your next vacation, please reach out to Coasters and Castles Travel at coastersandcastlestravel.com for more information. So be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment. Which is your favorite water park, Blizzard Beach or Typhoon Lagoon? Thanks. Have a great day.